What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy, the wisest and most powerful of all nerds, King Ibrahim, back with another YouTube video, guys, on why Allah is the greatest. Allahu Akbar. Before I get into that video, guys, don't forget to like that button. Don't forget to comment below, guys, and tell me why you believe or don't believe Allahu Akbar. Allah's the greatest. Which I'm open to hearing people that completely disagree. That's perfectly fine. But my goal of this video is to help you guys hopefully see it in a different light. Don't forget to cop some King Kamara Ibrahim t-shirts off my website, especially new designs, guys. The link will be in the description box below. And most importantly, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to give you guys more content on a regular basis. So without further ado, let's go on the video. So guys, there's a very popular phrase in Islam across the world you guys may have heard from all different sorts of outlets. It's called Allahu Akbar. And it means God is the greatest, definitively. And you see, in Islam, there's a lot of descriptions about God, but we overall believe that He's incomprehensible to the human scope in this realm, on this earth, in this worldly life. And there's many evidence of this now. Like, and it might take me a couple. I probably can't even condense it in the video, but I'm gonna try to do my best. Like, for example, Islam is believing in only one God. We believe there's only one God, and we don't have a picture of Him. There's no image of Him. There's it's just God. You know, He's beyond our scope. As human beings, we oftentimes create other gods. We claim there's other gods. Like, for example, you have Greek mythology, you have Norse mythology, you have, I'll even say, for example, the Christians say Jesus Christ. But they're not as respected as Allah. Like, for example, in Islam, every day people pray 5 times a day, physically pray 5 times a day. Like, billions of people right now pray 5 times a day and pray in the direction of Mecca to worship God. At least supposed to. And a lot of people do it. Like, there's evidence of people all over the world every day actually going to a place of worship, doing physical worship and rituals for God. Name a single other God in anywhere, fiction, or anywhere that has it like that. Only Allah does. Okay? Literally, like, you guys mostly believe that everything worships Allah. And we even make pilgrimage how to replicate that, like the creation of the universe in real time. And the Big Bang Theory is something that also came out of the Qur'an, which is remarkable. Furthermore, let's go, for example, you got the Greek mythology. You got Greek mythology, and a lot of the Greek mythology, the gods get beat up, they compete against each other, they bleed, they die, they're not really immortal, they do lots of disastrous acts. Even like Thor, for example. Thor, he's the mighty Thor, a god, and he's a weapon. Without his weapon, he gets beat up. Our God never gets beat up. He can't be challenged. Even, for example, most of you believe in the character Isa, who the Christians believe is Jesus, right? A lot of people believe, even Christians, that Jesus one is he's not a pale or Caucasian man. And on top of that, he actually died. But for example, we believe in a God that can never die. He's literally immortal. Everything dies. Everything has a beginning date and expiration date except for God Himself. That's what He says. That you can't even take from His kingdom. You can't actually diminish Allah. The only thing you can do is choose not to worship Him in His greatness. We say Allah is the greatest, He deserves to be worshipped, which is why the only reason why we worship Allah is because we believe that He actually is the greatest. And this is coming from a bad Muslim. For example, in Christianity, you have a saying called Hallelujah, which I forget with that Latin or something like that. But you don't want to go into a battlefield. It's oh, Hallelujah. But Muslim, I don't care if you're African, I don't care if you're Chinese, I don't care if you're from Norway. You say Allahu Akbar for the celebration for anything, or if you're about to box or you're about to win, you say Allahu Akbar. If you Khabib Nurmagomedov, you say Allahu Akbar. If you Mike Tyson, you say Allahu Akbar. If you Muhammad Ali, you say Allahu Akbar. If you Devin Haney, you say Allahu Akbar. Even if you're not a Muslim, when you want to fight, even your asking atheists pray before they fight, because they know that fighting is a spiritual endeavor, and no matter how hard they train, that they might mess up because of the will of God. That's the whole discussion for another video, guys. Not tonight, probably. That's gonna wrap up my video on why Allah's the greatest. Probably part 1, maybe many parts about that, guys, but we'll see. Don't forget to like that button. Don't forget to comment below, guys, and tell me what you guys thought about this video. Don't forget to cop some King Kamara Ibrahim t-shirts off my websites. The link will be in the description box below. And most importantly, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to give you guys more content on a regular basis. Your boy, King Ibrahim. I'll see you guys next time.